What's happening, guys? Here's another quick video of the Aquavac 500 DS. Issue I've been having recently is I actually had to fix this because the two snaps on the side broke off. So this was all wavering, and then I noticed this thing was struggling climbing the walls. And then I also noticed that the belt was getting a little tired and cracked and things like that. So good old Hayward part, see if I can zoom that in for you, is the RCX 97501GR, which is the belt drive track for the Shark Vac, actually, and it is the direct match. And what's interesting is mine is definitely worn out at least an extra inch here, so excited to get it installed. If you want to know how to get at all this, my other Aquavac video, which I'll put right here, you can watch that, but for now I'm going to reinstall this and let you know how it works out. Alright, so got her all done back up. Again, the part you need there is the RCX 97501GR, which is the belt drive track for the Shark Vac. Amazon. Climbing them walls now, no problem.